My name's April.
And I'm Eric. We are owners of Mineral Springs Organic Farm. We bought this place 5 years ago, I guess. Yeah. We just fell in love with the beauty of the land.
The farm was conventionally farmed before we purchased it, with using herbicides and potentially pesticides. So we wanted to sort of rehabilitate the soil. We also knew that in the past the farm was more subdivided into fields by corridors of trees, but that they had been taken down. So we really wanted to reforest for the beauty of the farm and for biodiversification, windbreaks, prevention of soil erosion. We had that goal and we started that slowly on our own, and then we got involved with Conservation Authority. So we were able to plant many more trees. Another thing is that the prior owner had cattle and they were sort of free to range along the riverbed. There was some concern about erosion of the stream bed. So we again worked with the Conservation Authority to do some rehabilitation and starting to see a more clear-cut stream. Also, we wanted to remove some invasive species. Again, we worked with the Conservation Authority and it was great because there were volunteers who came out and helped with the removal of invasive species and the planting of more native species along the riverbed for the riparian restoration.
The volunteers really did a tremendous amount of work. It's an opportunity and really a privilege, the way I see it, to be able to take care of the land.
The Conservation Authority has been very helpful to us in looking at the potential for restoration projects, shepherding us through the various other governmental agencies that support that kind of work, including the funding that is available. And as I said, finding the volunteers to help, because sometimes even more than the funding, it's actually just the labor to get some of the work done.